Last year there was in my village. Instantly, what we do is we all come together and we put it out. Now those things are more manageable, but I had requested on that occasion to electrical faults. On that event, the fire brigade team from move only up to about 5-6 kilometers from here. Even after emptying their entire water to convey this to the government, if we can have those water fire, be it on a house or a forest fire, for an entire area, if we can have around 3 water from the northern side, say Kotlin village, one in Waichung, one in, then I think we can cover many of the forest fires also.
Police Kangpokpi organized one-day meeting cum awareness sensitization program on preservation of forest wildlife in hills for future generations. Main motive for this program was to give awareness to the village chiefs, village authorities, mainly of Kangpokpi district, regarding this preservation of forests. Recently, we came across many small instances of forest fire in different regions of Kangpokpi, and in certain one police station, one case was also registered regarding forest wildfire. So after taking care of all these things, we think that it will be better if we give awareness to the villagers, mainly these village chiefs, not to do any illegal things which can cause future problem for them. So we, along with our forest department, do this awareness program, and we're lucky that in the program our conservator of forest, R.K. Amarjit was also present, along with his other forest official. And so it was a very fruitful session, I think, regarding this program.
Thankfulness to the district police led by the SP himself and the officer in charge of Kangpokpi police station for organizing such a valuable and fruitful interaction meeting with the village chiefs of Kangpokpi district. It is a very important thing, I should say, to be emulated by the other police stations, forest offices, and all across the state, because conserving and protection of forests is not at all possible, if it is carried out alone by the forest department or by any other department. We need active participation from people, especially from the village authorities, because village authorities play a very important role in the hill areas of Manipur. It is in the areas controlled by the village authorities that massive destruction of forests in many areas, I should say, if not all, that massive destruction of forests, including plantation of poppy and june cultivations, are going on. So such awareness programs will kind of remind the chiefs, especially, who would in turn pass on these messages to their villagers, and help in protection and conserving the forest areas in their village and in the nearby adjoining villages as well. Thank you very much.